In this video, I'll walk you through how to change Pinterest password. So if you're using your Pinterest and you don't want to reset the password, since you can remember your old password, you can easily change the Pinterest password in your Pinterest account. You can also use the password reset to change your Pinterest account. But the quickest way to change Pinterest account password is to change the Pinterest password within the application itself. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we want to do, we want to change Pinterest password is open the Pinterest application. Now, once you open the Pinterest application just like this, you may be taken to your home screen, or you are taken to your page on Pinterest, just like this. So, when you're on your page on Pinterest, you want to click on this profile icon at the bottom right. Then, click on the three dots at the top right. Once you selected that, you see a profile page pops, and this includes settings and hardcover image. Go ahead and click on settings. Now, to change your password, you need to come to account management and click on that. Once you selected account management, locate password and click on it. Now here you need to type in your current password, new password, and then confirm the password. However, if you have forgotten your old password, click on forgotten password, and here you will be prompted to reset the password. You see this? So password reset email sent to the associated email account to your Pinterest account. But if you can remember your password, all you need to do is come here, type the password, then type in your new password and confirm the new password. Then once you can confirm both passwords, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. Then you can see password updated, and now I have successfully changed my Pinterest account password successfully. So this is how you can easily change password on Pinterest. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.